Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door gasket in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. The refrigerator door gasket provides an airtight seal, preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. This gasket is mounted on the left side French door. A bad seal could cause higher than normal temperature inside the compartment and frozen airways between freezer and fresh food sections, causing the temperature to increase above normal. If you are experiencing any of those problems, check the door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. To remove the old gasket, we need to take out the French door mullion. To remove the French door mullion, we need to first open it. Using the Phillips screwdriver, we're going to take out the steel screws that holds that center bracket. And now we're going to lift up on the mullion to clear that the bottom and the top brackets. Okay, so we're going to pull out the wires and disconnect the plug. We're going to start removing the old gasket with pulling it in one spot. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and we're going to put it into the groove and pry the gasket out. Now we can continue pulling the old gasket out. All right. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new gasket, make sure that the groove on the door is clean. The gasket goes in this way. The two flappers, one on the top, one on the bottom, facing the outside of the door. So also this cutout on the top, the cutout in the middle, and cutout at the bottom, also facing the outside. The ridge goes inside the groove, so I'm going to place the corner right in there and push it in. Then we're going to move to the upper corner on the right. Do the same thing, press it in, and then we're going to install the top portion. Just push in the gasket and you will feel when it goes into the groove. Before we go down more than about half of the gasket, we're going to put it in the corner, the bottom corner, press it in, and then we can push in the rest of the side. And I can move to the opposite side and push in the gasket into the groove. Again, let's finish the corner first. And the bottom. And we're going to install the French door mullion back on. First, we're going to start with connect this mullion heater plug. Put it outside, out of the way here. We're going to place it in the cutout. And next we're going to install the top and the bottom hinges on the brackets here. All right. And I'm going to close that central hinge. And we're going to secure it with the two Phillips screws. 2 Phillips screws goes in. All right, so we're done. Before closing the doors, we need to close the French door mullion, and then we're going to close the doors. I personally prefer to close the left side door first, but it doesn't matter technically. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.